Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: money management. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to improve your financial health, mastering money management is key. In this video, we'll provide you with practical tips and strategies to help you take control of your finances. So, let's dive right in. Segment 1. Setting financial goals. Host. The first step in effective money management is setting clear financial goals. Begin by determining what you want to achieve financially, such as saving for a down payment, paying off debts, or building an emergency fund. Identify your goals. Host. Take some time to reflect on your short-term and long-term financial aspirations. Write them down and make them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART goals. Prioritize your goals. Host. Once you have your goals set, prioritize them based on their importance and urgency. This will help you allocate your resources effectively. Segment 2. Creating a budget. Host. A budget is a vital tool for managing your money. It allows you to track your income, expenses, and savings, ensuring that you live within your means and make progress toward your financial goals. Assess your income and expenses. Host. Begin by calculating your monthly income from all sources. Next, track your expenses for a month, categorizing them into fixed, e.g., rent, utilities, and variable, e.g., entertainment, dining out. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. Set spending limits and savings targets. Host. Based on your income and expenses, establish spending limits for each category to avoid overspending. Additionally, allocate a portion of your income towards savings and investments to build financial security and wealth. Segment 3. Minimizing expenses and saving money. Host. Now that we have a budget in place, let's discuss some practical ways to minimize expenses and save money. Track and analyze your spending. Host. Regularly review your expenses to identify areas where you can cut back. Look for subscriptions you no longer use, negotiate better deals on bills, or find cheaper alternatives for certain purchases. Adopt smart shopping habits. Host. Prioritize needs over wants, shop with a list, compare prices, use coupons, and take advantage of sales and discounts. Small changes in your shopping habits can make a significant difference in your savings. Embrace frugal living. Host. Embracing a frugal lifestyle doesn't mean sacrificing enjoyment. Look for free or low-cost activities, cook at home instead of eating out, and find affordable ways to socialize. Being mindful of your spending habits can help you save a substantial amount of money. Segment 4. Debt management. Host. Debt can hinder your financial progress. Let's explore some strategies to manage and eliminate debt effectively. Assess your debt situation. Host. Start by listing all your debts, including the outstanding balance, interest rates, and minimum monthly payments. This will give you a clear overview of your debt obligations. Create a debt repayment plan. Host. Decide on a debt repayment strategy that suits you best, whether it's the avalanche method, tackling high-interest debts first, or the snowball method, paying off smaller debts first. Stick to your plan and make consistent payments to reduce your debt burden. Seek professional help if needed. Host. If your debt situation becomes overwhelming, don't hesitate to seek professional advice from credit counseling agencies or financial planners. They can provide guidance tailored to your specific circumstances. Conclusion. Host, congratulations. By implementing these money management strategies, you're well on your way to financial success. Remember, managing money is a lifelong skill, so keep educating yourself and adapting your strategies as your circumstances change. With dedication and perseverance, you can achieve financial stability and enjoy a brighter future. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. See you next time.